Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 things we love about the Hotpoint NM11 Active Care washing machine. It helps make your clothes last longer, it's really energy efficient, and it allows you to add missed items to the wash. So we're going to head over to the lab now to take a look at these things in a little bit more detail. I'm going to take this t-shirt and dirty it up with some common stains that we may encounter in day-to-day life. So let's say that you spill a little bit of olive oil on you whilst cooking dinner. And maybe something I would do, you spill a little bit of morning coffee on yourself. Or maybe at dinner, someone spills a little bit of red wine over you. Just pat that in. So as you can see, I've properly dirtied that up. So let's pop this in the machine. Now, this machine helps to protect your clothing, and that's really great for multiple reasons. It means that you're a lot less likely to be throwing clothes away after a short lifespan, and it does mean that if you stain your favourite garment, it's not the end of the world. So this machine actually uses technology called Active Care that helps to get rid of those really stubborn stains that we've just seen. And it does this in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Celsius and in as little as 1 hour as well. So I'm going to pop the wash on and then we're going to see the results. So that's the cycle finished, that took an hour. Let's check out the results. If you remember, it was just covered in wine, oil, coffee as well. And this is the result after an hour on the Active Care function. Wow, that is amazing. I can't see one splatter. If you come a little bit closer, that was absolutely covered in wine, coffee, it was stained. I can't see anything on there, and that's just at 20 degrees Celsius as well. That really is an amazing result. Wow. This machine is also really energy efficient as well. It actually has an A energy rating, which means it uses less energy every single load as opposed to other less efficient machines. In fact, because you're using less energy every single wash, you can actually save up to £743 across its lifetime. So it does make a huge difference. And let's just say you've popped a wash on and started the cycle, but you've missed out a sock, as we all do. You can actually come back and just pop any missed items in, and you can actually add it in within the first few minutes of the wash starting without it affecting the wash performance. You can live a greener lifestyle and still get great washing results with this machine. Plus, because it helps to protect your clothing, you can wear your favourite stuff over and over again. If you'd like any more info on this Hotpoint Active Care washing machine, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.